you begin, make sure you are wearing safety glasses, sturdy shoes, and gloves. Here are the components you will need to build a pipe brace: an end post, brace post, kicker post, top rail, kicker rail, rail end, brace bands and binder bolts, and dome caps. When we start to build our brace, there's two ways to put the post in the ground. You can either drive them in with a post driver, or for the pipe brace, you can dig a hole and fill the hole 2/3 full with concrete. Let it sit for a couple of days. Then, fill the top of the hole with tamp dirt. To determine the height of the top rail, measure the distance from the bottom of the fabric to a point midway between the second and third line wires at the top. Use this as your starting height. Add additional height equal to the distance you want the wire to be off the ground at the bottom. Connect the rail end to the brace band and binder bolt. Slide it onto the pipe and place it at the 34-inch mark. Do this on both the end post and brace post. Tighten the nut. Connect the top rail from the end post to the brace post. Make sure the top rail is parallel with the ground. Once the top rail is parallel with the ground, tighten the nut. Connect another rail end to a brace band and binder bolt and place it at the 34-inch mark on the brace post. Tighten the nut. Connect another rail end to a brace band and binder bolt and slide it onto the kicker post. Connect the kicker rail from the brace post to the kicker post. Tighten the nut. Place dome caps on all posts. Lastly, hammer dome caps on all posts.